I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be giving you guys some spring fever, you guys. I am going to be decorating my foyer console table, but I am making some changes, okay? I am going to be changing out the table and using my white dresser or my white buffet that is my console table in my living room. And I'm going to be adding a fantabulous wall decor mirror. Y'all, I am so excited about this video, and I am super excited about this mirror. I want y'all to see it so bad. Let me know what y'all think about it. It's like one of my most prized possessions. So definitely stay tuned and watch it from beginning to end so that you can see how everything turned out. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. I am so happy that you decided to spend this time with me. I'm so happy that you are here on my channel. I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decors, cleaning, motivation, lifestyle videos, and so on. So if that is what you are here for, if that is what you like to watch, I do upload weekly, and I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here on YouTube. Also, leave your name and where you're watching from so we can chat it up in the comment section, because I love to talk, y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. This is the cleaning portion of this video, and then we're gonna get right into the decorating part, okay? Also, my husband is in this video, so y'all gonna be seeing his crazy behind. But we had so much fun doing this video together, so let's go ahead and get into this video.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
So guys, I just wanted to jump in right quick and tell y'all about this Ocean Spray Sparkling. It is incredible. If y'all have not tried it, go ahead and give it a try. It is so yummy and delicious.
I know.
It's heavy.
We going my way or your way?
Your way.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Woo! I'm used to lifting my keyboard.
We have a killer moves, but
Man, you in a movement?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it, man. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help.
So excited.
See how happy she got? Happy.
You through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
So guys, this is my mirror. I'm so happy about it. Oh, I found this mirror in Home Goods, and it was like, I've been looking for a mirror like this, and I actually found a mirror, the same exact replica, same exact mirror for, it was over $1,000. And I found this mirror in Home Goods. coming back from my vacation, and I was just like, I'm grabbing it up. I did not pay $1,000 for it. It was $199 in Home Goods, and I'm so happy that I snatched it up because it was 2 of them, and they were like 2 ladies that were eyeing the mirrors, and she was like, girl, if you're not gonna get it, I'm gonna get it. So I was like, not your day, girl. I'm gonna grab this mirror today.
Not your day?
Not your day. It's my day today.
My day.
And I love
My
that
day. Her day.
My day. This is looking so good.
Every day is your way. Every day is your day. Every day.
So now I just gotta paint around it, do some touch-ups, but it's looking good, right?
Let me see. Stand right there. No, turn around. Look at it. It's looking good.
So let's get ready to start decorating this piece, and then we're gonna get all the other stuff out of the foyer. I feel like it's all coming together the way that I saw it in my mind. I have other furniture pieces that are coming for the rest of the foyer. So this foyer is definitely gonna be like an, ongoing update, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it so far. So let's go ahead and decorate this piece. I'm gonna show you guys also, I did pick up 2 other things. And one of them being this. I did pick this up from Home Goods as well, and it's a planter, and this was $19.99. Look how big that thing is, but it's a planter, so I figure I can get this, I can use it and put my olive branch stems in there and see how that turns out. So yeah, let's do it. So these, y'all know I always have these, and I love using these. I love using greenery because it's like neutral, but it's also like a pop of color. And you guys know I'm not like a colorful person when it comes to my home. I like everything to be neutral, and then for each season I can add pops of colors and textures and textiles. So let's go ahead and add these branches. I think it looks so beautiful. What do y'all think? I got a mixture of everything, and I like when my branches are tall, especially because my ceilings are so tall. And I like when they're tall and on this big old wide wall. And I think that looks absolutely amazing. Okay, so I also got this from Home Goods. I'm just gonna try to bring it out in the frame a little bit because it is huge, okay? Let me see if I can give you like it's like half of my size, and I'm 5'1", and this is half of my size, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and I just love it so much. So I have this little vase that my bestie, Carrie Ann, gave me. So I'm going to be putting it in the middle of this and putting a candle. I don't have the candle just yet, but I will be getting one and putting it here. So let's go ahead and do that. I think that looks good. Everything is sort of on the one level. I'm not liking the way that this is looking, so maybe I have to prop that up a little bit. Let's see if some books will do the trick.
Know that you.
And then we have these little stems that I got from Amazon, and I thrifted this vase a few years ago. Let's put that there. And I think that is looking good. I think that is looking so good, you guys. Let me get a close-up of this mirror. Isn't that just stunning? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So this is the first part of this foyer. I love the finish on this mirror. And it's not anchored to the wall yet, so I'm going to definitely anchor it to the wall. But oh, I think it's such a statement piece, and it goes so nicely with this console table. So let me know what you guys think about this console table styling. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this little console table styling for the spring, just a spring refresh. I am so happy about my mirror, you guys. I cannot wait till the other pieces of furniture arrive so that I can get this whole foyer just done and completed and be done with it the way that I really want it and the way that I've seen it. So we're gonna have our light fixture come in. We're going to have a new rug, the side console tables, and all the things. So very excited about it, and I hope that you guys are excited about it too, and that you will stay tuned. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.